Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. When it comes to automotive excellence, few names evoke the same level of reverence and excitement as Ferrari. With a history spanning over 7 decades, this Italian marque has become synonymous with speed, luxury, and precision engineering. Founded by Enzo Ferrari in 1939 as Auto Avio Costruzioni, the company initially produced racing cars. However, it wasn't until 1947 that the first road car bearing the Ferrari name, the 125S, was unveiled. From that moment on, Ferrari has been at the forefront of automotive innovation, pushing the boundaries of performance and design with each new model. Central to Ferrari's ethos is a relentless pursuit of speed. Whether on the racetrack or the open road, Ferrari cars are engineered to deliver unparalleled performance. From the iconic V12 engines to the advanced aerodynamics, every aspect of a Ferrari is optimized for maximum speed and agility. But Ferrari is more than just a manufacturer of fast cars, it's a symbol of passion and prestige. Owning a Ferrari isn't just about having a mode of transportation, it's about joining an exclusive club of enthusiasts who share a deep love for the marque. The unmistakable roar of a Ferrari engine and the elegant lines of its bodywork evoke emotions that few other cars can match. Beyond its road cars, Ferrari's racing heritage is legendary. The company has dominated the world of motorsport for decades, winning countless championships in Formula One, sports car racing, and endurance events like the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Each victory on the track serves to further burnish the Ferrari legend and inspire future generations of drivers and engineers. In recent years, Ferrari has embraced the challenges of the modern automotive landscape. Environmental concerns and shifting consumer preferences have led the company to explore alternative powertrains, including hybrid and electric technology. While purists may lament the departure from traditional combustion engines, Ferrari remains committed to delivering thrilling driving experiences while also reducing its environmental footprint. Looking to the future, Ferrari shows no signs of slowing down. With a lineup that includes iconic models like the 488 GTB, the F8 Tributo, and the SF90 Stradale, as well as upcoming releases like the Purosangue SUV, the company continues to push the boundaries of automotive excellence. As long as there are roads to be conquered and races to be won, Ferrari will remain the standard bearer for performance and passion in the automotive world.